You see what I mean? I'm back, guys. I'm back. I just came back now and it is Tuesday today. I'm going to the office tomorrow, so I also want to pack my work things. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to everybody who's here to watch this video. If you are new, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. I want to unpack these bags and pack everything nicely, just to reset, you know. I hope I did okay. I'm never gonna get to my charger. I was gonna freak out. Cause what do you mean? Let me just unpack, guys, and put everything be like. I just wanted to get on with the vloggy vlog. Guys, we're taking my makeup. Look at this. Because this one, it's Suluhi. Let you see. Guys, I need to get a mirror. I really need to get a mirror. I'm wearing this white blazer. I don't know if you guys can see, and black pants, but I don't think it goes along. I think I need to put on my black blazer. I think I need my black blazer. I'm so sorry. I want to wear my black blazer because I don't know. You see what I mean? It's really like much better. But anyway, let me go to the office. I'll see you guys.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me.
Next time you guys see me, ask me if I drop back I put the healer, because I feel like I need some type of, I'm trying, I can't color coordinate, guys, because it does, I know. So I'm trying my best. I'm trying, but I cannot do this every second month. I can't do this every second month. Yo, to be very honest with you guys, but I'm the problem. I am the problem. Next week, Ziakal. So, really, I don't know. So I need somebody to keep me accountable and just ask me every time you guys see me. Ask me, maybe. You know, but anyway, guys, it's Friday today, and apparently Microsoft inhaled some issues, so most of our systems are not working. But yeah, somehow, so I'm really busy with that. I did my laundry this morning, so yeah, I want to clean, but probably I'll do it tomorrow. And then Kabishu, I'm working as well, so I need to do that. I need to clean, I need to work. So that's why today I want like my laundry and do put this, so that when I clean, I don't really have much to do. And then yeah, I'm hoping to go to the mall tomorrow. Gilo exchange a pair of jeans that I bought online. It fits very well and I don't like it, so I'm gonna try and get like a bigger size. And what else? Yeah, that's the plan. So we will spend the weekend together because I was not able to vlog this week. Welcome back to another day on this vlog. Let's get into it, guys. And then I'm gonna see you guys later. Guys, I'm having this tea, which I hardly really have. It's the lemon peel ginger root. I'm gonna put in some lemon inside. I got send me away. Why does it look like this? It's in a lot. Okay. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I don't want to lie to you. Last night I couldn't sleep. Around 10 I was installing that Kelly wig. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm sitting here because the light is so much better than in my bedroom. So yeah, yesterday I couldn't sleep and I took a sleeping tablet, guys. It knocked me out. Like even this morning, I'm usually like up around 6, 5:30 at the weekend, or every day actually, but today I was up around 8:30 to 9 and I still feel sleepy. That pill is so strong. It is so strong, but I don't usually take it like, you know, I'm always taking, no. But anyway, right now it is, let me check, it's 9:49, almost 10 a.m. and I am busy trying to clean and watch some YouTube. I'm gonna make myself a smoothie because I feel really hungry this morning. So yeah, guys, I feel like yo, but I also needed to do a bit of some work, which I'll do after cleaning. Yeah, I'm gonna do that after cleaning. I want to show you guys my plant. Let me actually come here. Look at that, guys. When I got her, she wasn't as pink like this, but now like Wenza is simanga, and I think I need to take, I don't know, take her out of this. But yeah, I'm gonna wash this thing. But yeah, do you see how beautiful she looks, guys? Do you see that? She looks so good. But I don't like this, but she looks very well. So today I'm gonna clean her up and just take care of her a little bit. Almost done cleaning, guys, and I decided to make a smoothie. Because my fruits need to sing. Look at that. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Oh, nice. This, too good. Guys, I'm here trying to tell you that I want to make some rolls. This is what I need. I just also need 1 egg. I saw the recipe on TikTok. I'm gonna put it somewhere here. So let's make these rolls, child. And I need an air fryer. And that's the only thing that caught my attention. Okay, guys, let's do this. So I'm not using any measurements because I trust myself. I'm lying. Pour some milk. Pour some milk, okay. Then some sugar. So I'm gonna make 2 tablespoons. I need melted butter, so I'm just gonna add a full teaspoon of this. Even of yeast. Which you eat at Tayona. I'm gonna mix. I'm gonna mix. This is clean. This is like nice and like, you know, buildable. But right here, close it. I'm gonna place her outside. Let's go. Let's see.
Girls. So her and I are gonna chat, and we'll see if. And hey, listen, I think us girls need. Are you okay? I do appreciate that a lot because it's really guys. Yo, yeah, draw on it right now. Up until. No, I'm not. Are you? Yes, I am. Really?
It's 160, I think. Let's do 20 minutes. Yeah. I'm gonna check how they look because this stupid air fryer does not have a window. So let's go. Let's shake. Does it mean they're right? Hold on. I've got a toothpick. My mom used it. I don't know. I think they're fine. Ciao. Do you guys see what I'm seeing here? Look. So I want to take one out. I don't know. They are so hot though. Guys, look at that. Oh my. So happy, my rolls. I want to send my mom. This is the first. Child, and I was so worried because Nigel went to hotel an egg. Rolls, anybody who wants some rolls? I'm so happy. Look at that. Also, this is the first time I make them, so please, I know Benny lenyana, like, but they are so soft. Look at that. I'm not even like Let me go make my mom proud. So anyway, good manza to the manza, guys. Good morning. I woke up early today. At least I'm bright and fresh. Unlike my Vani, where I still sleepy around 10. It is currently 7:30. I went down to fetch my checkers order. I ordered last night because I knew I want to cook today, and I did not have carrots and I just needed carrots, cream of chicken. Let me actually show you guys. Let me actually show you. I want to make tea, but I'll make it shortly. That's my order. I think someone is coming over. I bought this guy's go macro, and I want to try it today. I'm gonna have a visitor today. For lunch. Yeah. Okay, I just got these, and they are the right ones. Good. I won't be able to make coleslaw with this and spinach. But I'll try. I didn't want to buy like the pack 80 carrots because I'm gonna go home tomorrow. I go home. This is the thing. I got cream of chicken. I saw someone use it in her spinach, like a little bit, not a lot. I don't like creamy spinach, guys. So I saw this and I was like, I want to try it. I got some gum. If you know me, you know how much I love gum. I bought this because of my visitor, and I'm not gonna have this sad life, but it's fine. Then I also got this. Yeah, that's all I got. Got my order. So right now, I'm gonna try and keep this because apparently they recycle them. So by my next order, I'm gonna give them away to the checkers, guys. So yeah, but the thing is good. Okay, yeah, okay. Anyway, let me make myself a cup of tea, chill, and I'll see you guys later. That's what I'm making, guys. My Sunday playlist always hits. This is what I hate, but I'm gonna try and make like a little bit of some coleslaw. These are the last veggies that I have in my fridge, so let's get cooking. Plus the rice. I showed you this rice that I'm gonna try, so let's do it. I actually thought this spinach will be a lot, but it's enough, guys. That's my cabbage. Let's see. I don't know how to edit these things. Chili. There we go. I'm gonna eat red peppers, for my spinach. Just so these guys, I added some aromat in here, so I'm gonna let it shrink. I'm gonna add this. You see that shrinkage? I think that's enough. I'm gonna add just a little bit. You'll see, guys. I'm gonna add like a teaspoon. Okay, there you go, guys. Then I'm gonna add it. I think I added a lot. Okay, that's fine. Because I really don't like, or I don't prefer cream spinach, so I try by all means to, you know. So that's why I was just a little bit worried for that cream of what it will not and then it's gonna give me that effect. I gotta give it like creamy spinach, but it's fine. I haven't tasted. I'm just gonna let it simmer. Then I'm done with the spinach. This is how the rice turned out, guys. I forgot to show you because I was on a call with Abby for like 3 hours, so I wasn't vlogging, but it is so delicious. I really love this rice. Try it out, guys. However, they said it serves 4 people. I doubt. This is definitely for like 3. Not here, maybe you can serve 4 people. I'm lying. You can, yeah. Anyway, guys, so I did my makeup and I took some pictures which I like. I'll show you some here, but you must also go on my Instagram at Neilwe K. So right now I'm chilling. That spinach was so good. Sorry, excuse me, guys. Spinach is limonade, guys. But let me relax, okay? Let me relax. I'll see you guys later.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. By the way,
I want to show you guys. I love this. I enjoy this so much. And it's not sweet. So yeah.
got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky.
I love Sundays because they are for vlogs. And you know what? My girls upload vlogs. Don't give Tire hiding, please. Please don't.
We're crossing, get something to eat, and then wait for my cupcake orders.
I just got back home today. It's Monday morning and I did say I'm gonna come back home today, but after work, but I decided to come early because but anyway, he will leave for varsity this week, so yeah, we're just going to be together for the last time this week. But anyway, guys, I want to end off this vlog here because I want to upload it today. So let's end it off. Yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for all the subscribers. I think we are on 1.8 subscribers. I really appreciate all of you guys. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do comment down below, tell somebody to subscribe, and subscribe if you haven't. Click on that red subscribe button. It's absolutely free. But yeah, I'm gonna start a new vlog. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this vlog. I love you all so much. In my next video. Bye, guys.